Okay, hi guys. My name is Wojciech Bożek. You can call me Bob. And today we'll talk about handling errors and gathering user feedback in apps. In my case, it will be React Native app, but you can use it also in your Ruby app, Angular app, and so on. Okay. So as I said, I'm working with React Native, and you can find me at GitHub at this login. Okay, so let's go. I was working on a project and I have some insights that I want to present to you guys to give you more information how we can achieve this goal. And as I said, all the tools can be used also in other projects, but not all of them. Okay, let's imagine a situation that you have an app prototype and you want to make a release, and you have your beta testers team, your mom, your friend, your cat, and you give them access to app, and they will provide you a feedback. For example, hey Bob, something is wrong. I don't see this image, or something like this. And they can generate these bugs and glitches because they don't know how app is working in your mind, because you know all the edge cases and stuff like this, and suddenly someone clicks in the avatar and app crash. Okay, so you need to gather this information from them. Okay, so please give feedback, please. So your mom opened your app and she saw something strange. What she can do? She can send you a message on Messenger or make a call. But how about adding this functionality into your app? So your mom opens up and give your feedback right in it. Okay, so she can send you an email. This is a lib that provides you some fine functionalities that can redirect you to email app in your device, and that's how you can do it in React Native with React Native stuff. Okay, in this case, you can specify an email address and title of this email or body, something like this. Okay, but I don't think that is a good idea, because all your users need to write a long story how they get to the point when the app crashed or something was different. Okay, so here we have solution. What about live chatting with you or a team member, support member? And in this real chat, you will give feedback instantly, and you can also wait in real time for the response. And this is how Intercom works. This is a tool you can integrate in your React Native app. It is easy to integrate. It has real-time chat with customers. It provides functionality of push notification when, for example, someone answers your question, you will get a pop-up. And easy to integrate again. Okay, provide sending images emoji. Can be integrated in both web and mobile versions of your app. There can be multiple conversations per one user, sort of topics and stuff like this. And you can make a place in your app when user clicks this place, it will show you a pop-up where all the communication begins. And it also have more features. Okay, that's how it looks like on the web. You have this strange button in the bottom right corner. You can click on it and write a reply, and you can correspond with your support. And that's how it looks like in mobile app. It covers a whole screen, and you have ability to write to the support. Okay, but this is easy mode, yeah? Something was strange, app does not look like it should, and user always can respond to the errors. Okay, but what if app crashes and user can react? And there are also two options of these crashes, yeah? Same as in car crashes, there can be a case when you can fix this, or that can be a way that you cannot fix your car. Yeah, it is broken and you can't do anything with it. Okay, so sometimes you are able to collect some crash data. Sometimes it is hard, or you get nothing because, for example, JavaScript engine does not work at all. And there is a lib you can use to collect this data. It uses Google Firebase, and but I did not implement it because most of the hard crashes can be resolved in the development. And if you see that app is not working at all, then you can change it in development logs and stuff like this. But it is worth to check it. Okay, most of the bugs, these smaller bugs, can be handled by JavaScript. Most of the times there are typos, wrong imports, getting value from null, or etc. Yeah, in development mode it's okay. You get big red brick and you know that something is not working at all. However, in production, we don't show these errors to users. App just crash. Yeah, but before crash, you can do something with it. And here comes our hero. Yeah, this is Bugsnag. This is a tool. For me, the best tool I was working on with collecting bugs. And features are, it is easy to integrate to React Native, but also many other platforms like React, Angular, and stuff like this. It collects data per build, per platform, device, or user. Additionally, it's, for example, add battery level, network status, and so on. It is highly configurable. It is multi-platform. Captures handled and unhandled errors. You can, for example, tell Bugsnag, hey, this is an error, please send it to the reporter. It had breadcrumbs, and you can add custom report callbacks. This is the main reason why I use it. Okay, that's how it looked like inside Bugsnag client, collector, I think. Here you have bug, yeah, this is the stack trace. There are the threads, breadcrumbs, device, user, and additional info about error. Okay, configuration takes time for about 2 hours, but after this simple configuration, you can initialize this lib in like this. Yeah, and additionally, if you want to see what was the problem, yeah, you want to get the line that fails, you need to upload source map to Bugsnag, and there is additional lib to provide the stuff, unless you will not get proper stack trace inside Bugsnag. Okay, but let's see the features. That's how you can catch bugs. Unhalted errors will be cached by default. Yeah. So, for example, if you want to fetch data from nil, you will get error right into Bugsnag. But you can also tell Bugsnag to catch error exception and send it to the Bugsnag. You can also catch promises that are unresolved and so on. Okay, you can leave breadcrumbs. you can connect to your navigation and give information when user enter new screen, when he clicks on something, when he exit, and this is sample implementation. Yeah, you can see that when navigation is back, we leave breadcrumb back, and where there is something else, we leave information about road name and additional params. So it can gives you more information. What was the path that users make to take him to the back? Okay, we can also identify user because, for example, in our app we have registration, login, and stuff like this. So we can identify them. So if you open Bugsnag and see the error, you can see that this is Jessica Jones and this is her email. Okay, but most powerful tool, I think, this is adding custom data to the errors. For example, if you want add some additional info to the exception, you can inject into a report object and add it there, and it will, wait a minute, and it will pop up here at additional tab. Okay. You can add multiple callbacks to before send callbacks and manipulate with them. So you can specify what kind of state was in app, if user was an admin, or you get I don't know, cold weather, and you can send. And if user crashed, it will add this additional info to the report. Okay, but let's go deeper, yeah? Yeah, we can record what testers actually do. And now we'll open some video. Yeah, this is video that presents how Leap works. Here we have some lady that using our app. Okay, by wait a minute, app crashed, yeah. And here we have the dashboard when we can see what was the touches and swipes of this lady, and we can check how she provided to the situation when when app crashed. Yeah. Okay. Okay, continue. Okay. And let's play Air. So if you are playing League of Legends or stuff like this, you can use an ultimate solution. Yes, so you can, because UX Camera is a lib that records all the sessions in the app, and it can provide us an URL that is URL to the session of the current user. So you can get this URL and add it to before send callback. Yeah, as a metadata in UX Camera, there is this session URL. So if app crashed, the developer enters Bugsnag and he see that, yeah, there is a session and there is a record of it. He can enter it and see what led to the bug. Okay, but I don't think that's a good solution because I don't feel very well recording user. It is a privacy issue, yeah. And for example, you need to check a law if you want to use it in case of many countries and stuff like this. Okay, additional honorable mention goes to Instabug. This was the lib that I was using when working Titanium. This is another multi-platform solution for mobile. It gets user ability to make a screen and paint on this screen with some simple tools. So he can, for example, point you to the bug and add additional info. Yeah, and this is familiar this is similar to email, but with additional screen solution. Okay, in your Ruby and raw apps, you can also use rollbar to gathering all the bugs or airbreak. This is also great tools that can you provide this type of gathering data. Okay, there are two stories that I want to talk about. One was related with rollbar. In previous company, we have a huge system that was gathering data, and I make a mistake, and my system is constantly producing lots of errors, and we have a plan when we pay for each error, and it turns out that we need to pay rollbar about $1,000 about gathering this data. So if you use solutions like this, I don't know how rollbar now works, but then we need to pay them about it. And second thing I want to mention was with intercom. It turns out that after we upgrade the sleep in React Native, in one of the builds, user have the ability to open intercom, but we think that intercom works, yes, so user can provide us feedback, but when user clicks in an input, intercom crashed the app, and there wasn't funny. Okay, let's back to it. Honorable mentions. Okay, and I think that's all. Okay, so thank you, guys.